What if the secret to thriving in business lies hidden in plain sight? Standard operating procedures, or SOPs, act as the backbone of operational success, driving efficiency and growth. Research shows that organizations with well-defined SOPs outperform their competitors by an impressive 31%. Think of a business as an intricate machine, where every cog must work in harmony. Without clear guidelines, the machine falters, leading to chaos and inefficiency among employees. SOPs are detailed, step-by-step documents that standardize processes and reduce errors significantly. In industries like healthcare and manufacturing, the precision of SOPs can heighten productivity and compliance. Consider a restaurant's SOP for food safety. It ensures hygiene standards are consistently followed by all staff. A well-crafted SOP begins with a clear title and purpose, setting the stage for its objectives. Defining the scope of an SOP clarifies who must follow it, ensuring everyone understands their role. At the heart of every SOP lies detailed procedures and instructions, guiding tasks logically and efficiently. Roles and responsibilities in SOPs prevent misunderstandings, ensuring accountability across the organization. Regularly reviewing and updating SOPs keeps them aligned with changing business needs and compliance standards. SOPs promote consistency, quality, compliance, and productivity, making them essential for business success. Don't let knowledge walk out the door. Capture it in your SOPs for a thriving, efficient organization.